I'm creating a DIY using mainly Dollar Tree items. If you want to see what I'm creating today, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm making a DIY using mainly Dollar Tree items. Before I tell you or we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Karen. This is a lifestyle channel and we enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, occasionally a DIY. So if you enjoy that type of content, I hope by the end of this video that you would consider hitting the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload a new video. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me in this channel. I know you guys have seen the Dollar Tree pizza pan crafts all over YouTube because I have, and they're all the rage, and I wanted to try my hand at creating one myself. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, you guys. I'm going to be creating a cute little, or I hope it turns out cute, sign for my entryway. And I'm going to have it displayed on an easel. But you can also hang these and make them into a wreath. But that's what I'm going to be hopefully creating today. So let me go ahead and go over the materials that you're going to need if you want to create this craft today. All right, you're going to need the pizza pan from Dollar Tree. If Dollar Tree is out of the pizza pans, you can always get them from Walmart. All right, you're going to need a plastic placemat. And I hauled a few placemats from Dollar Tree recently. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have that down in the description box. But this is the placemat that I'm going to be using, the Home Sweet Home. It has that pretty navy blue background and the white garland. So I'm going to be cutting out this part of the placemat, and I'm going to be using this splatter screen to trace around that part of the placemat so that hopefully it comes out a perfect circle, because this size, the splatter screen is the same size as the inside of the pizza pan, so that's why I'm using the splatter screen. Or guys, you can just, you know, measure it out and cut it out, but this works perfectly for that. I've seen other YouTubers use the splatter screen with the little knob on top. I couldn't find those, so I found this one, and so I'm going to give this one a try. All right, next we're going to be using some Nautical Rope from Dollar Tree. I've got my paints here. Now this paint, the Waverly Chalk acrylic paint, that came from Walmart. I've got some deep blue acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. I've got my Tacky Glue. I've got some Gerber daisy clips that I'm thinking about putting on the project as well from Dollar Tree. And I also have some butterflies from the craft section at Dollar Tree. I'm thinking about using these. I'm not sure yet, but I might. And then I'm also going to be using some floral stems to hot glue on here. I haven't got those out yet. They're in the storage container, but I'll pull those out. I've got my scissors, and I've got my Sharpie marker and my paint brushes. These are Dollar Tree paint brushes, and I've got my hot glue gun. So that's all the materials that we're going to need for the project. So I'm going to go ahead and pan the camera down, and we're going to go ahead and get started with this Dollar Tree pizza pan DIY. Okay guys, here I'm just peeling off the paper off of the pizza pan, getting ready to start painting the rim of the pizza pan with the Waverly white chalk paint. So I'm going to paint the whole around the whole rim of the pizza pan, and I'm also going to paint the inside of the pan just underneath the rim. And then while that dries, I'll be moving on to the next step. Next, I'll be placing my splatter screen on top of the placemat, and then I'll take my Sharpie marker and I'll outline the Home Sweet Home. I'll outline that with my Sharpie marker and then I will be able to cut it out so that it will fit inside of the pizza pan. Okay, now I have my perfect circle cut out to fit inside of the pizza pan. Next step, I'm going to take a little bit of that deep blue paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use a small paintbrush to start putting little dashes around the entire pizza pan. So that's the next step, just to take a small paintbrush and make the little dashes all around the rim of the pizza pan. Okay, I've got all of my lines on the rim of the pizza pan. Next, I'm going to take the opposite end of the paintbrush, the handle part, and I'm just going to dip it into the paint, and I'm going to put little circles or little dots in between the lines on the rim of the pizza pan, and I'll do that all the way around. Okay guys, this did not turn out the way that I was expecting it to. I didn't like the way the blue paint looked against that white, and it just seemed to clash with the placemat. So what I tried to do was just paint over it with some more of the chalk paint, and it just made it worse. It just smeared it and just looked, you know, not right. So I pulled out another pizza pan that I had, and what I decided to do was sand it with my sanding sponge because I wanted to spray paint it. And because that pizza pan is so smooth, I knew that the paint probably wouldn't adhere the way I wanted it to. So I sanded the pizza pan and then spray painted it with that Krylon Satin Bright White spray paint. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks a lot better, and I'm just going to leave it just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my placemat and go ahead and put the tacky glue on the back of the placemat, and then go ahead and place that inside of the pizza pan. Okay guys, I've got my placemat inside of the pizza pan. It fits in there nicely, and the next step is to take the nautical rope and hot glue it all the way around the inside of the pizza pan. Okay guys, the last step is to go ahead and hot glue my florals and picks to the side of the signs. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue those to the left side of the sign. Unfortunately, I can't find any ribbon. If I had some ribbon, I would go ahead and put a cute little ribbon on top, but I can always add that later. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment and hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. And I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.